Have you ever imagined creating cinematic AI videos that look like they came straight out of a Hollywood movie without using expensive software or spending weeks learning video editing? Well, that's exactly what we're going to test in today's video. Recently, I got exclusive access to VOSU, and inside this platform, I found one of the most exciting AI video models available right now, Seedance 2.5. Instead of just talking about its features, I'm going to use it in a real project. We'll start with nothing more than an idea. Then I'll write the prompt, generate the video, compare the output quality, and finally, I'll tell you whether this tool is actually worth using or not. I'll also share a few prompt writing tips that helped me get much better results. So if you're planning to create AI commercials, cinematic short films, product ads, or social media content, you'll definitely learn something useful from this video. So let's jump straight into VOSU and see what Seedance 2.5 can actually do. So this is the VOSU dashboard. The interface is very clean and beginner-friendly. Everything you need is available from the main dashboard. So even if you've never used an AI video generator before, you won't feel lost. Today, I'm going to create a complete cinematic AI video using Seedance 2.5 and show you every step. What is VOSU? Before we generate anything, let's quickly understand what VOSU actually is. VOSU is an AI creative platform where you can generate professional quality videos using different AI models. Instead of installing complicated software, you simply describe your idea using a prompt, choose your settings, and let the AI create the scene. One of the biggest reasons people are talking about VOSU right now is because it gives access to Seedance 2.5, one of the latest AI video generation models. Why Seedance 2.5? So why is everyone interested in Seedance 2.5? From my testing, it focuses on better cinematic quality, more realistic camera movement, improved character consistency, better lighting, natural motion, high-quality visual storytelling. These improvements make the videos look much more polished compared to many older AI video models. Now let's actually create something. Prompt assistant. If you don't have the perfect prompt, then let's check out one of my favorite features inside VOSU AI, and that's the prompt assistant. If you've ever used AI tools before, you probably know that the quality of your result depends on the quality of your prompt. A simple prompt often gives average results, while a detailed prompt usually produces much better output. This is exactly where prompt assistant becomes useful. Instead of spending time writing long and complicated prompts, you can simply type your idea in a few words. For example, I'll type a futuristic city at sunset. Now I'll click on Prompt Assistant. Within a few seconds, VOSU AI expands my simple idea into a much more detailed prompt. It automatically adds things like camera angles, lighting, environment, artistic style, colors, composition, and other details that help the AI understand exactly what we want. Now let's use this improved prompt to generate an image or a video. As you can see, the final result looks much more detailed and cinematic compared to the basic prompt. This feature is especially helpful if you're a beginner and don't know how to write professional AI prompts. Even experienced creators can use it to save time and improve the quality of their outputs. Creating a new project, I'll click on Create New Project. Now I'm selecting Seedance 2.5 as my AI model. Next comes the most important part, the prompt. Remember, the better your prompt, the better your results. Instead of writing something simple like a man walking, we'll write a much more descriptive prompt. This helps the AI understand the scene, lighting, camera movement, emotions, and atmosphere. Writing the prompt here is the prompt I'm going to use. Paste the cinematic prompt on screen. Notice that I'm describing the subject, the environment, the lighting, camera movement, mood, visual style, small details. This extra information usually produces much better videos. Choosing settings. Now I'll configure the settings: video quality, aspect ratio, duration, resolution, camera style. Everything depends on what type of content you're creating. For YouTube, I usually prefer landscape. For shorts, vertical works better. After everything looks good, let's generate. AI generation process. Now the AI starts processing the prompt. Depending on the complexity, it may take a little time. While it's generating, let me explain something important. AI video quality depends on three things: the model, your prompt, your creativity. Even the best model can't produce amazing results from a weak prompt. Learning prompt writing is just as important as choosing the right AI tool. prompt assistant. If you don't have the perfect prompt, then let's check out one of my favorite features inside VOSU AI, and that's the prompt assistant. If you've ever used AI tools before, you probably know that the quality of your result depends on the quality of your prompt. A simple prompt often gives average results, while a detailed prompt usually produces much better output. This is exactly where Prompt Assistant becomes useful. Instead of spending time writing long and complicated prompts, you can simply type your idea in a few words. For example, I'll type, "a futuristic city at sunset." Now I'll click on Prompt Assistant. Within a few seconds, VOSU AI expands my simple idea into a much more detailed prompt. It automatically adds things like camera angles, lighting, environment, artistic style, colors, composition, and other details that help the AI understand exactly what we want. Now let's use this improved prompt to generate an image or a video. As you can see, the final result looks much more detailed and cinematic compared to the basic prompt. This feature is especially helpful if you're a beginner and don't know how to write professional AI prompts. Even experienced creators can use it to save time and improve the quality of their outputs. The result of generation is ready. Let's watch it. Honestly, this looks impressive. The camera movement feels smooth. Lighting looks cinematic. The scene composition is well balanced. Character movement is natural. The environment has plenty of small details. Overall, this already looks much better than many AI generators I've tested before. Non-AI image generator. Let's start with the AI image generator. This works just like other AI image tools. You simply describe what you want. For example, a futuristic cyberpunk city at night with flying cars, neon lights, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic. Now click Generate. Within a short time, VOSU AI creates multiple image options. The quality looks impressive. You'll notice good lighting, sharp details, and accurate prompt understanding. This feature is useful for YouTube thumbnails, blog images, product concepts, social media, marketing creatives. Overall, the image quality is excellent. Image to video. This feature is becoming very popular. Instead of creating videos from scratch, you upload an image. Then you write how you want the image to move. Example, camera slowly zooms toward the character, while hair moves naturally in the wind. Generate. Now your static image becomes an animated video. This is useful for character animations, product ads, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, cinematic scenes. The motion quality depends heavily on your prompt, so always describe movements clearly. #AIUGC video. If you create advertisements, this feature can save a lot of time. Instead of hiring creators, recording videos, and editing everything manually, you can generate AI-style UGC content. Simply choose an avatar or upload assets. Write your marketing script. Generate the video. This is especially useful for Shopify stores, Amazon sellers, digital products, app promotions, marketing agencies. AI music generator. Creating background music usually takes time. VOSU AI lets you generate music using prompts. Example, upbeat motivational electronic background music. Click Generate. Within a few moments, the platform creates original music that matches your prompt. This is helpful for creators who need royalty-free background tracks. Workflow automation. One of the most interesting sections is the workflow builder. Instead of manually running different AI tools one by one, you can connect them together. For example, generate an image, convert it into a video, generate voice, generate music, export everything. This saves a lot of time, especially if you're creating content every day. Pricing. VOSU AI offers different pricing plans depending on your usage. Higher plans provide more credits, better limits, and access to premium AI models. If you're only testing the platform, start with the lowest plan. If you're running a business or creating content daily, the higher plans provide much better value. Always compare the available plans before purchasing because pricing can change over time. Pros. Now, let's quickly look at the advantages. One platform for multiple AI tools. Very beginner friendly. Clean interface. High quality image generation. Strong AI video capabilities. Useful workflow automation. Good AI voice generation. Saves a lot of time. Suitable for creators, marketers, agencies, and businesses. Cons. No tool is perfect. AI generation still depends on good prompts. Complex videos sometimes require multiple attempts. Rendering time can vary. Credit-based pricing may not suit everyone. Some advanced features have a learning curve. Who should use VOSU? In my opinion, VOSU is a great choice for YouTube creators, marketing agencies, freelancers, social media managers, filmmakers, content creators, small businesses, anyone who wants professional-looking AI videos without spending hours editing. Things I like. The interface is simple. Seedance 2.5 produces impressive visuals. Generation quality is strong. Camera movement looks natural. Prompt-based workflow is easy. Good creative flexibility. Things that could improve. Like every AI tool, it's not perfect. Sometimes you'll need multiple generations. Prompt writing still plays a huge role. Some scenes may require additional refinement, but that's true for almost every AI video generator available today. I genuinely enjoyed using VOSU with Seedance 2.5. The platform is easy to use, the workflow is simple, and the video quality is surprisingly impressive. If your goal is creating cinematic AI videos, commercials, storytelling content, social media ads, or creative YouTube visuals, this is definitely a platform worth trying. Of course, the final quality always depends on your ideas and prompts, but VOSU gives you powerful tools to turn those ideas into videos much faster. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI video you'd like me to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.